time to modify my grinder. I've been having... it's just time to fix it up a little bit and make it better, so check this out. I removed the tension piston here that was attached here. I'm going to go more vertically. I'm just going to put this guy here instead. Yeah, I should replace these. I'm going to look into that maybe this afternoon. So, ended up swapping out these wheels. This one, look how terrible this is. And this one, I think it's from the whole machine being kind of out of whack, but it works. So I'm just gonna keep running it. So, alright, gonna test it. Alright, running smooth. Not running on there really well, but I might adjust it, I'm not sure. Nice set on this one. Not so good there. What am I gonna do? I don't know. I'll figure it out. Screwed something up. These mounts for the Platten, I didn't consider the rollers for some stupid reason, so I need to remove them and remount them. Oh well. Time. Alright. She's welded in. So I'm going to get it back on the grinder, the swivel plate, and then work on the Platten. I flattened out the 5160 already. I've got it nice and flat. Heated it in the forge and then used some flat dies to just smash it down without deforming it. And then I did need to put it on the anvil to just get it a bit cleaner, but so I need to bring this down to 2 inches and then weld on some brackets. So getting there. And then yeah, it's air hardened, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I might temper the welds once they're on there. I'm not 100% sure. I'll figure it out though. I'll figure it out. Finish this week. It's even. Pop it on the machine. Pop, pop. Gonna put a bevel here and a bevel there. Just kind of round out the corner more than above.
All right, so I've got it fitted up. Not bad, not bad. And I'm just gonna run the Platten on the sander to make sure that it's flat. Actually pretty darn flat. Right. 5-10 minutes of sanding. I think I'm happy with that. Cool. This is going to allow me to adjust the placement of my Platten. By having the southern nut here, I could bring it out and then crush it, crush the Platten bracket wherever I choose. Like I was saying, like this. I'm not happy. So, I figured these tacks, again, me learning welding, I figured the tacking here would stop it from being drawn in by the weld. And yet it did not. So it's not 90, so I need to figure out how am I gonna fix that. How would you fix it? Eh? All right, this is what I'm gonna try. I'm gonna latch it down in the this vise and then stick a wedge in here and see if it raises it. And if not, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't want to like twist it or anything. So 90. I had to hammer on it a bit. The wedging worked to a point, but yeah, I think I'm gonna cut each corner out of a piece of steel, not necessarily this one, but whatever, and weld them behind there as a heat sink. I don't know if it will actually sink heat out of the the plate, but maybe. Do I keep going? I feel like I should keep going a little bit. All right. Yeah, that's better. Into the forge. Hopefully the mild steel, the cool steel doesn't create any wiggities or whatever's. No wiggity. Quench tank's right there. Underneath the right under the forge. Got a nice lid on it. Mr. Lyndon Novak made this for me. President of the Manitoba Blacksmiths Guild. Thanks, man. Lyndon's a good dude. Actually, I'd like to have him here to do some hammering. To have a whole bunch of people here to do some hammering, but Corona. Got a nice uniform color. It's been soaking in there for a while. And, yeah, got the quench. Flip it. This. So this is canola oil. It's gonna smell like French fries in here. It's a big chunk of steel, so I'm gonna let it hang out in the oil for a bit. I'm going to heat another piece of steel in the forge and pull it out of the heat, and then I'm gonna set the platen down on that steel and wait to see the colors change, because I've never done it that way and I want to try doing it that way. That's the way I like it. So I need to pull the steel out of here, lay it down, and put this on it. Gloves. See my table swelling. I read this in a blacksmith's book, but this is the way to heat treat. Have you ever done it this way? Do you have tips? Let me know. Alright. Oh. Well, no, I'm gonna wait. Because really, this piece of steel is coming out of the forge at like 1400 degrees. So there should be plenty of residual heat in there. I guess I could clamp them together. Really get that connection between the two pieces. It'll have to toss my phone. Yeah, that's okay. Nice color here. Nice color here. Keep it going a little bit. So here's a question. If my temper's different all over the platen, is it going to wear away at a different rate? I guess so. What do you guys think? Questions? So, I guess during the quench, or through inattention, it actually pulled back in, so it's not a true 90. So I'm gonna lay some weld across here and then sand it down so that I can get 90. So not exactly what I wanted, but I'll work around. She's welded. I think I've got enough mass there. All right, slap disc.
Alright. I think I'm good. God. Not bad. Not bad. We're done. It's all lined up. Like, do not follow. Just a 2-hour job. 2-hour job.